If you want to your design to spread it out faster, you do a little bit thicker. If not, you do it thinner. And I am going to wipe it off. Just part of it. Okay, close that for me. And either you can use twin tip brush or you can use, I think this is too busy. Can you move that one, please? Looks like it took away from the screen right there. There you go. You can using dot tool right there from crystal pickers. You can randomly to dot anywhere you want. So it's gonna be fun. You can do any colors, okay? I think it's just another colors I want to share with you. It doesn't have to be. Great. Is that spreading out nicely? And I am going to clear this guys and under the LED light for 60 seconds, and then we can dress it up. You can see a little stunning here that I just roll it off a little bit. This is my 40 gel that I prepare for you. This is gonna be deep purple. We're gonna do some kind of stunning designs on the nails. Hey Roxana, Mr. Namax, Nancy, the most I have a chocolate 35 with the crystal. That with the short nails that you do with the short nails. That's hey, thank you so much, Nail by Lena. Live Ras to say that tell Vicky to come to IG. Did you hear that? So now let's do some crystal on these nails. I really like it look so far already. Condensed glue gels. This is one of the steps from a 3 steps methods crystal placements. If you are a first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessories and such live videos brought to you every day. Today we're a little bit later than usual, but we are here. All right, so if you're first time using our condensed glue gel, do not afraid of to just blend it nicely and generous and blend it. It looks really nice. It doesn't look like lumpy or too much or like have over applied condensed glue gel. One of the jars will go a long way because next time you use just a little bit amount of it. So hold on, I must give it like, where's my notes over here? I'll leave it right here. This is gonna be floating on the top of unclear condensed glue gel. Great. And I have a tray that I have it right here, which is like a deep purple. Is that deep purple? Looks like a deep purple, but it might be. I am gonna need help for another tray. When you see a lot of like this, Usually I separate them half and work with them. Oh, I see a butterfly. It's funny. Hold on, I want this one. I want my 2 bar on this side. I need another bar. Great. So now we're gonna dress it up. How everyone doing today? Hope you have a great day today. Thursday. Sometimes I look at design and like, what? It doesn't really is it doesn't look familiar that a lot of designs I have done. But however, I'm never afraid of to be accepting a new designs and like start enjoying loving it. Usually it's come out really stunning. And don't afraid of, for all of you, just don't afraid of to create something different. I'm stay out of the box usually and would dress it nicely on this way. But I want something different and see how it's gonna turn out for us. Hey, what the worst case? You don't like it? Next time we do different things. But if it's good, if it should turn out good, I mean that, hey, new design. This I'm gonna using precision glue to really secure that. I'm gonna get more bar. I really want a gold one. Someone get me the gold one. It's okay. I'll get silver. You know what? It was, if you get chance to watching NTNA, Nick Top Nail Artist is sponsored by Nail Magazines, and the main sponsor for the Nick Top Nail Artist is CND. And is yesterday we got an opportunity to do a recap shows with Coupa company in Nails Magazine. It's mind blow me with all of competition. They work with what they get, and amazing, it turned out phenomenal. So it's just such a really inspiration for me to see that, you know, they got what they got, and then to just work with what they got, no complaint, just do the best of ability you get. That is so stunning. This is some really inspiration for any of you who is interested in to be compete next year, you know. It's a great idea if you are doing it. It's not the top one, but I'm gonna clear this one for 60 seconds. It looks good. It's kind of good, and it's kind of, hold on, let me see if I'm gonna do something else. You know, sometimes you never know, because for something that I don't care much, it'd be interested in, my clients love that. Like sometimes they're like, oh, I like this one the best. And they say, for real, you like it? It's not my favorites, but okay. So is all different design for everyone, everybody. Sometimes I doing it different out of the box, so then the clients will get, you know, this crystal deep purple is always, I always wanted to do something with this, and it is so deep that I don't know on your end it looks how it looks, but my end is so gorgeous, okay, and like so attractive. That's why I want to do something with this. Hey cat, not bad at all. Great. Here, 60 seconds. It's different, right? It's different out of the box. It's just like, then you usually don't even think. But I want to challenge myself, and I want to challenge a look, because it might annoy you, like, what the heck's Nancy doing? But hey, Tess will become a creator. Just kidding. $10 box, thank you so much. Thank you for your love and support. You know, sometimes you're seeing it, it's just like, it's just an idea of how you do the bars, and you're doing your crystal along with this, but then you can do under a different backgrounds, might turn out look different. So I just want to share with you, like, if you do something, just don't afraid of it. Just do it. If it not good, then do it again. it doesn't take much time, but then you get to see an idea. Because if we're afraid of to try something new, we're never gonna get a new designs out of it, right? So a lot of you were asking me, I want to see your nails. Like, be honest, if I really want to repeating my nails doing it, it doesn't take me much long time. It takes probably about 2 hours, because I do left first and then left hand for the right hand. But then because it's take me longer time for me to create something new. That's why I need time to sketch it out and drop it, and then do something with the nails. But yes, one of these days we're gonna sitting here and doing my nails, and you can see that. So I am going to, because of this one, you know why I'm not afraid to do this design? Because I have precision glue. So there's no reason to afraid of to create something is really stunning that I think is not gonna work, but it's actually sometimes it's really nice. A lot of clients like it. Because some of the designs that I did, I think is too simple for me. The clients loves it. Like, keep doing it over and over and say, why you like it? And then you said, you know, just something different. See, so then we train our brain to doing a lot of different design, repeat it, you know. So something different. I'm not afraid of to do this design because I have that precision glue. So I am going to check every single edges of the bars right here. And it's funny that this one, if you accidentally, if you get it over your all the frame right here, your bars, which is totally fine because it's not gonna fix anything anyway. I'll make sure all the edges, especially right here on the end, on each end. And then you feel like you key it first time, you still feel it a little bit scratchy, you can go ahead and feel it again. Make sure that it completely stay nice and smooth on the client's nail, and so it's not gonna catching on their hair. The crystal will stay really nice though because they're smaller size, and when I give it a little bit gentle pressures on it, it stays stuck right on the condensed glue gels and the top coat. Yeah, I see it was good. I'm not afraid of it. Twin tip brush. Now I'm gonna using my twin tip brush. I'm just like, I can't see it because I was under the camera and they're too far away from me. So imagine like on the edges. Just blend it and blend the excess precision glue, so then after you cure, it's gonna look so nice and flawless. All right, under the lamp for about 60 seconds. Close the cap. Today I train your brain with different look, huh? It doesn't look like a really bling bling like usual. I challenge you to stay out of your box. Because I've been doing a lot of like a bling one. What else you can do with the clients? Like, this is a great for you to offer some clients that want some bling bling or first time using it, but not really like still hesitation to jump right into bling nails, and they still want something simple, but something is wood different, and then something get some crystal but not too much. So that is some really like simple design, like my design right here. It looks good enough. Crystal not much, just few of them, but because the chrome is just so powerful, it's too much going on there, so then you don't want to do like too much crystal in there. That's why we did the smaller tribal arts right there. Great, the second one.